Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can extend RAM on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to extend the RAM, we can use a feature that is called RAM Boost. In order to get access to that feature, we need to go to Settings, and then in the Settings, we want to scroll all the way down to find System. In the System, we want to choose Performance, and finally over here we have RAM Boost. Let's tap here and make sure that this option is enabled. If you try to disable it when it's enabled, then you will have to restart the smartphone. In addition to that, over here we have several options. We can, in my case, I can extend up to 8 GB, and of course I need to restart my smartphone if I want to apply these changes. And it works in a way, in such a way that when there is enough device storage, then it will be used or part of it will be used to extend the RAM, the selected amount at least. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!